You've read about this?
Yes.
Okay, this is Washington Post
Cigarette.
this week. A small but growing group denies the basic facts. Some they say Israel.
Look where your hand is, and then like
this,
trajectory down.
their invasion of Gaza, the hostages, and not really. They were kidnapped by Israel. The United States is behind the whole thing. There's a professor who says, this is a professor in New York, don't take what the media says. They try to say you're supporting rapists and people that behead babies. Both of them
baby beheaders.
True. No, we know it is true. They purposely filmed it.
Use your phone for your flashlight.
It doesn't matter. It's lit up here like a fucking fireworks. There's nothing here.
And you literally
It's
okay.
very on brand for the planet as far as its
All right, fuck it.
relationship with the Jews over many centuries. We have this weird stalkerish relationship to the Jewish people.
Yeah.
It's the most bizarre.
Got it?
We have like something like 6
Dude, score.
religious-based